We're up to day 4, yay, day 4! And today is Apricot, which is an orangish color. My favorite number, my favorite color. It's gotta end up being an awesome picture, right? Well, since the color and day number were so appropriate for me specifically, I decided to take more inspiration from myself. Wait, is that conceited of me? Well, anyway, I'm a Pisces girl, and a shameless weeaboo to boot, so I did 2 koi fish swimming in a circle the same way that Pisces fish are often depicted. Because koi fish, Japan. Yeah. I don't know. Listen, my brain only functions on thin threads of logic at times, okay? On the first fish, I decided I used a little too much black and I should really stick to the orangey color of the day, especially since I used a lot of black yesterday. So on the second fish, I only used orange for the splotches and black was relegated to just the eyes and outlines. But yeah, not much else to say about these. They turned out way more illustrative than I meant for them to. While I was working on it, I felt like it looked like an illustration you'd see in like a children's book or something. And that's Huevember 2020, day 4, Apricot. Check. Done. See you tomorrow for the next one.